Okay, so this video is kind of a freestyle, but the title of it is How to Lose Weight and How to Live Healthy. So I'm going to talk about 3 points that I think everyone should focus on when they want to live healthy and when they want to lose weight. And when I say lose weight, I'm not just talking about physically, I'm also talking about spiritually or mentally. My number 1 is stop focusing on everyone else. I say this because we all learn to walk at different times in our lives. As a matter of fact, in many things that we do in our life, we accomplish our goals and certain key points in our life at different times. So like even when we die, we all die at different times. We don't just leave this earth at the same time. So when you're like focusing on other people and how far they grow, how fast they grow, you start to compare that to yourself when you were meant and created to be different. Like, I look outside and I wish I could show you guys right now, but I'll just flip the camera around. I look outside right now and I see all of these different trees, right? If you see this tree right here, it doesn't even have all the leaves on it right now versus say that one. So even the trees are growing at different rates, all unique to each other, but they all get watered when it rains and they all receive sunlight when it rains. Some of them are in the shade and some of them are at a higher point, so it may help them to grow. But you have to realize that everyone has different resources available to them and, different environments, and we all grow at a different rate. So instead of comparing yourself or focusing on everyone else, you have to focus on you. And that leads me to my second point, is to go within and not without. Because in this society, you really have to guard your mind. There's so many things that are external to you that are telling you how to be you. And that's a red flag right there. I know Lauryn Hill has a good quote that says, we're focused on our outer man while our inner man is dying. And that's so deep, because I may look at the television and it's telling me I need to look this way. It's telling me I need to have straight hair. I need to, be taller, be skinnier. Not necessarily me. If I get any skinnier, I might waste away or something. But, it tells us all these things, and it tries to shape us. If we compare ourselves to these trees, it tries to shape like each one of these trees into the same mold. And we know that each one of these trees has a benefit that is unique and serves a purpose in this creation. There's so many different herbs out there. If you had let's say burdock root, and burdock looked at the dandelion or say a rose, like, man, I sure wish I was that rose, because the rose is all pretty and red and they put the rose on TV, then that negates the power that the burdock has. The burdock has so many different elements to it that heal in a different way that the rose heals. So we just have to remember to go within, because when you focus on the external aspects of yourself, you forget what you have within your soul, your spirit. Like, you forget how it plays a unique role. I give another analogy that really helps to ground me. I think of life and everyone else as a puzzle piece. Everyone as a unique puzzle piece. If each puzzle piece is not different to fit together to create that bigger picture, then we're going to have an incomplete puzzle, and nobody's going to be able to see the bigger picture. If you have a puzzle piece on the outside saying, oh, I want to be like that piece on the inside, then you're going to be stuck with 2 outside pieces, and you can't fit that one in the inside. So just remember to go within and don't compare yourself amongst yourselves, because we're all unique. We all move at different times in our lives, and I've been thinking about this lately. I've been wanting to travel so much, and I have to realize, I made a tweet that said some people have to literally travel to attain the peace that I've created within my mind. And that's not bad for them. But I have to count my blessings because I can find peace within. But some people may need to leave their environment that they feel is toxic in order to find peace. And that may be in the same place that I want to go. But I could still find that joy in life and that peace and that appreciation and being content with wherever I go. And so that's something we have to remember, is to go within and find that peace and not keep looking without, because this vessel doesn't last forever. So number 3 is to, something that really does focus on the physical aspect, is to eat minimally processed foods. It can be hard trying to figure out what to eat. It's hard to avoid cheese. Cheese is good, and I ate some this week, and you can kind of tell it broke my face out. And I'm just being honest. So when we eat things that are close to nature, it's gonna produce life. So, eating things that are green, leafy vegetables. A few things. I'm gonna make another video of some simple foods that people can eat to, lose weight and live healthy. But just some simple things like, I have pistachios. I replaced my bad eating habits with these. It's so simple. And when you're eating something healthy, your body kind of naturally tells you, okay, you're done. But when you're eating something that tastes like overly good, or like Doritos, I don't eat Doritos, but I know a lot of people eat them. People keep eating all them Doritos and this tastes good. You could keep eating that, and your body's like, oh, this tastes so good. Let me just consume more and more and more. It don't tell you to stop. But I noticed with like pistachios and stuff, I know when to stop. And then I have like this puff kamut. These things may not be that readily available in your grocery stores, but this is millet. You can find these on Amazon for like $2 a bag, maybe $3. But that's all I wanted to talk about. I'm going to make some more videos, but I hope this helps somebody, because these are the thoughts that have been going through my mind recently, is to go within and stop focusing on what's without, because that's so important in your growth. And it's so important when you want to connect back to source, to the creator, to, just to nature in general, the natural order of things. When you go without and you focus on the wrong things, you go against yourself and you go against nature. So thanks for watching.